living is the importance of how they actually fasten the ledger board to the house itself, because this ledger board, this piece of 2x8 or 2x10, whatever it is here, is actually what is supporting this entire end of the deck, and then the rest of it is supported by these posts and that main beam right there. Looking at this one, I would say 90% certain it was built when the house was built, because they've actually sided around it with the original siding on the house. Here at the top of it, I can actually see and feel the flashing they installed up behind the siding, and then it is either lag screwed or lag bolted through the band joist of the house itself. So this is actually physically attached essentially to the first floor, the main floor of the house. And then looking at all the joist hangers, they have nails in every hole just like they are supposed to. They are properly installed. And then the whole thing is carried by 6x6 posts, and it looks like doubled up 2x8s for the main beams. So everything we're looking at so far tells us this was built when the house was built. It's impossible to tell with all the river rock down here what kind of footer it has, but my guess would be these 6x6s are probably just sunk into holes and then maybe backfilled with concrete or maybe backfilled with gravel, which is not ideal, but it's what you get 9 times out of 10 around here, so there's nothing technically wrong with it.